So hi guys, in this lecture we are going to talk about one more tool, which is Dmitry. So what is Dmitry? Dmitry is nothing but a deep magic information gathering tool. It is a Unix and Linux command line program to gather as much information as possible. So it is able to gather information about subdomains, TCP port scan, email addresses, uptime information, who is lookup, and more. So now let's see how you can use this particular tool for your information gathering. Okay, so for using this tool, what you need to do here is simply open the terminal window. And in terminal window, if you want to see option how to use Dmitry, you need to type Dmitry and hit enter. So when you hit enter, you will find all these options. So how you can use this tool. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is, first of all, I want to let's talk about first possible subdomains. So I want to see the subdomains. So how I can see all the subdomains. So the tag for the subdomain that we are having here is -s. Okay, so what you need to do here is simply type the Dmitry, here, and -s for the subdomain and the domain name, and hit enter. So after hitting enter, you will find all the related subdomains of the website. So why it is important to find out the subdomains? So actually the subdomains importance is very much because what developers do, they put all their hard works in the main domain, and there are some vulnerabilities that they ignored in the subdomains. So that is why if you get the part to get inside the subdomains, then you will be able to get inside the main domain. So this is why it is very important to understand how to find out the subdomain and what is the importance to find out the subdomains in penetration testing. So now as you can see that we are having these many subdomains. So google.com is the main domain, and this is the subdomain. So these many subdomains that Google has. Okay, so this is how you can use Dmitry for finding the subdomains. Okay guys, so now if you want to scan any port, okay, so how you can do that using the Dmitry. Okay, again type Dmitry and hit enter. You will see for simply find out the port or port scanning, what you need to do here is simply type -p for perform a TCP port scan, and I am going to also use -p to read the banner receipt from the scanner port. Okay, so how you can do that? Simply type Dmitry for the port scanning, and this is for the banner, and the IP address. So IP address, I'm going to give it this. So this is the IP address of my OWASP BWA, and hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that my TCP 22 is open and 80 is also open, and this is the banner. Okay, so this is how you can use this particular tool for scanning the port. Okay guys, now suppose that if you want to extract all the information, whatever information you want, so what you can do here is simply, what you need to do here is simply type Dmitry -w, this is WinSupo. Okay, WinSupo. So these all are the tags that we have seen earlier, and simply type the domain name. So instead of domain name, I'm going to type this IP address. Let's see what it can do for us. So after hitting enter, as you can see that this is information that it has collected for us. Okay, so let me scroll it up. So these all are the information that it gathers for us. Okay, pb, where was our command? Okay, so this was our command. So this is our command, and these all are the information that we have gathered using this Dmitry tool. Okay guys, so this is how you can do that. Suppose guys, you want to if you want to store all these files of your information gathering inside this, how you can do that? Suppose that you have find something like these many ports you have find. Now you want to store all these report inside a file. So how you can do that? Okay guys, let's see how you can do that. Simply type Dmitry. First of all, let me see where currently I'm working on. pwd, hit enter. So I'm currently inside the root. Okay, so now guys, what I'm going to do here is simply Dmitry is the tool, and I want to see PB, and then the IP address. This is the IP address, and then okay, before IP address, if you want to store it inside the file, you need to give the file name. So this is the file, and hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that this is the report. Now let's see, currently I'm working on root ls. So this is the file. Okay, so this is the file that we are having here. Let's see what it contains inside it. Okay, so guys, as you can see that we are having these many informations inside it. Okay guys, so this is how you can use this particular tool for finding the subdomains and port scan and possible all kinds of scan. Okay guys, so this is all for this lecture guys. Suppose if you have one more thing guys, you can also do one more thing using this tool, is you can also use this tool for the whois. As you can see that -w perform the whois lookup on a domain name or a host. Okay, so how you can do that? Simply -w google.com and hit enter. So after hitting enter, you will find all the related information that whois server have inside it. Okay guys, so this is how you can use Dmitry tool.